Welcome to Rangermade Knife and Tool. I am Bob Oldman, and today we're going to introduce our brand new knife, the FRAGO. So this knife is called the FRAGO. FRAGO is a military acronym. It stands for Fragmentary Order. It's basically, if you're conducting an operation and they decide to change the priorities, they'll issue a fragmentary order. And so this knife is a FRAGO to what I've been doing for the last 10 years. I'm changing direction, doing something different. What we have here is a knife that's about 7 inches long with a 3 1/8 inch blade. You can tell by the blade shape, it's got a little bit of a recurve at the back, and it's got a real nice harpoon swedge at the front. So another aspect of this knife in the design was I was thinking about it not only in the EDC capacity, but in the camp and field capacity. So it's very much in the bird and trout size. My Freelancer XL folders, which are rare and hard to get, this knife incorporates a lot of the elements that you see in those knives. It has a very nice gradual curved top line that blends in, a really comfortable handle that fills the hand. It has the recurve shape, which I do a lot. I get a lot of requests for the recurves, and all of the lines really blend. If you look at the way the plunge runs into the swedge at the top, those are all kind of my trademarks of design. I wanted it to be small enough for everyday carry. Guys who like to everyday carry a fixed blade, they like a small knife that carries and works like a big knife, which in the hand this thing does great. The idea is for it to fit a full-size man's hand in a very small knife. It's fairly thin. The scales are less than 1/8 of an inch per side. The blade steel is about 160 thick. So overall, the thickness of the knife is under 1/2 of an inch. This knife is perfect for carrying on the belt. It can carry vertical or horizontal. You can certainly dress out anything larger than a quail. When it comes to the campsite, this thing would be great for slicing vegetables, cutting meat, cutting fish, anything you're going to have to do in the campsite. It's a great field knife, pack knife. You throw this in your day pack. You can use it at the campsite. You can cook with it. These knives are hand ground. Every single one of them I grind myself, and they're finished at 400 grit. This knife is made of 80 CRV2 carbon steel. So when you're sharpening this knife, without getting too deep into metallurgy, this knife has very fine carbides in the molecular structure, which means it can get very sharp. Every knife will come to you shaving sharp, and it's no problem to get it back there. Anything you need to do cutting wise, this will do it. The scales, almost all the scales on these knives are G10, virtually indestructible material. It's got a real nice radial pattern to it that feels really good in the hand. It's got a lot of texture and a lot of grip, but it's not sharp. It doesn't really rub on your hand anywhere. And they have a little bit of radius to them, so they really roll in the fingers nice too. So then the final thing about this knife is the sheath. These are a taco style sheath. They're very simple, but they're very hard wearing. They hold the knives really well. Every knife has a great click detent, and they hold absolutely. So you're not going to lose your knife out of the sheath. Spacing on the Kydex is 3/4 inch standard spacing, so any Kydex belt clip is going to fit these. The knives don't come with a clip because there's so many different carry configurations for this knife that I don't know what anybody's going to want. So I factored that in, made sure the spacing is standard. Every knife has a different scale color. Every knife is available with different Kydex.
Why?
This is a hard-working knife. It's going to last you a lifetime. You're going to pass this knife down to your kids. This is a limited run. There are 30 of these knives, and when they're gone, they're not coming back. So if you're interested in one of these FRAGOs, go to the website and purchase a knife. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you're looking for more content like this, follow us on Instagram at Rangermade Knives. We have a group on Facebook, Rangermade Knife and Tool. So if you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe. Rangermade Knife and Tool, out.